This is Christine from Rushing River Apiaries, and today I'm going to show you how to install a new queen into a nuc colony. So I have my queen here in a small wooden cage with a bit of a screen on the front, and then in the end of that is a little cork plug. So there you can see the screen. In the end is a little cork plug, and then actually inside, and it might be hard to see on the video, but there's a white candy plug in there as well. So I have that, I have my hive tool, and I have my smoker, and of course I'm geared up in my PPE. So this colony is a split. So this is a bunch of capped brood that we took out of another colony a couple days ago. So there's lots of bees in here, but currently no queen, and we're going to give them this queen. So I'm going to open up my hive like normal. I'm going to give them a little bit of smoke just to send them down in between the frames so that none of them are harmed when I'm putting the queen in. And then before you put her in, what you need to do is you need to remove that little cork plug. So I'm just going to use my hive tool. They never come out in one nice chunk. So you just kind of chip away at it with the corner of your hive tool until you're through the cork and you're just seeing white candy. It can be handy to use the other end. A little sharp knife is very handy, but I don't have one with me today. You're just going to get as much of that cork out of there as you can. The bees will chew through the candy, but they can't do much about the cork. There, so I've got most of the cork out, at least so there's no large chunks. And now there's just kind of the white candy plug left in there. A few little bits of cork, but that's no problem for them to move. Okay? Now, when you put this in, you're going to aim for the middle of your colony. Okay, so the middle in both directions. And you're going to put her down in between two frames. And you want the plug end to be facing down and also the mesh cage to be facing down. So down, and she's going to be in there on a little angle just like I'm holding it now. So I need a bit more smoke to get these guys out of the way. And then right in the center, I'm going to pry the two frames apart. I'm going to stick her down in there. These frames are nice and sticky. If you're working on relatively new stuff, you want to be real careful that you don't drop her to the bottom, okay? So keep your fingers on that cage until, with your hive tool, you squeeze those frames back together, and then friction should hold her in there, okay? You're going to close your hive back up. That's all there is to do with her today, and in 3 days, you're going to want to open this back up, take that little cage out, and make sure that the bees have removed the plug and let her out into the hive. If they haven't after 3 days, then you just use your hive tool or a little knife to get rid of the rest of that candy plug and release her into the hive. And they should have accepted her by then. And it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.